kids, welcome back to EVS class. In our previous class, what did we learn? We learned about people who help us. We learned about people who help us and make our life easier. हमने सीखा कि वो कौन कौन से लोग हैं जो हमारी सहायता करते हैं, जो ऐसे काम करते हैं जिससे हमारी ज़िंदगी बहुत ही आसान हो जाती है. Like carpenter, weaver, tailor, washerman, blacksmith, potter and basket maker, teacher, goldsmith, cobbler, doctor, farmer, postman and etc. So, we have finished the lesson. Now we will move to the exercise part. I hope you have read the lesson. So, we will move to the exercise part. But before moving to the exercise part, I have two questions for you. Can you tell me who cures the doctor when he is ill? Can you tell me who brings the letter for the postman? So, you think about it. Now we will move to the exercise part. You have to tell me these answers when you meet me, okay? So, moving on to the exercise part. So, I have already written here the answers. We just have to read the answers. So, here, first one is answer the following questions. We have three questions here. First one is, what does the carpenter do? What does the carpenter do? See here. You will know it if you have read the lesson. See here. A carpenter makes useful things from wood. Carpenter does what? He makes useful things from wood. Carpenter क्या करता है? बहुत ही उपयोग वाली वस्तुएं बनाता है. किससे बनाता है? From wood. लकड़ी से बनाता है. So, where is the carpenter here? Here is a carpenter because he is making useful things from wood. So here answer is the carpenter makes useful things from wood. Now the second question, what does the weaver do? The weaver weaves cotton into cloth. See here, again the same page. He weaves cotton into clothes. A weaver weaves cotton into cloth. A weaver does what? He weaves cotton into cloth. एक weaver क्या करता है? Cotton से cloth बुनता है. See here, weaver. Now the third question. What does the tailor do? What does the tailor do? Do you know what does the tailor do? Can you tell me the dresses you are wearing now? Who stitches those dresses? Tailor, right? See here. A tailor stitches clothes. A tailor stitches clothes. All these clothes you can see are stitched by tailor. So, a tailor, see here, a tailor stitches clothes. Now, the second one. Complete the sentences given below. Here we have some sentences which were incomplete. I have already written the answers here. We just have to read those answers, okay? So the first one is, a barber cuts hair. A barber cuts hair. Barber क्या करता है? क्या कट करता है? Hair कट करता है. बाल कट करता है. A potter makes earthen pots and vessels from wet mud and clay. Potter क्या करता है? See here. A potter makes earthen pots and vessels from wet mud and clay. Third one is, a farmer plows the field. A farmer plows the field. farmer क्या करता है? हल जोतता है. A postman brings letters and greeting cards. A postman brings what? Letters and greeting cards. Now the third exercise. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct word from the brackets. We have some words in these brackets. We need to fill the correct words. So the first one is dash and dash look after the patients in the primary health center. Dash and dash look after the patients in the primary health center. See here. Doctors and nurses look after the patients in the primary health centers. Who? Doctors and nurses. So we need to write doctors and nurses here. See, doctors and nurses look after the patients in the primary health center. Second one is the dash maintains law and order. Who maintains law and order? A policeman maintains law and order. Who? A policeman maintains law and order. A policeman maintains law and order. The dash collects the fares and hands out to the a dash collects the fares and hands out the tickets. Who collects the fares and hands out the tickets? Let's see. The bus conductor collects the fare and hands out the tickets. Who? The bus conductor collects fare and hands out the tickets. A bus conductor collects the fares and hands out the tickets. Now the fourth one is guess who is he? Who is he? Complete the following words. So we have some clues here. We have to write who is he. I have already written the answers. See here. He makes beautiful ornaments from gold. वो कौन है जो बहुत सारे खूबसूरत सुंदर सुंदर से गहने बनाता है फ्रॉम गोल्ड. सोने से सुंदर सुंदर गहने कौन बनाता है? कौन है वो? A goldsmith. He is a goldsmith. He makes what? He makes beautiful ornaments from gold. He is a goldsmith. 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 He makes things of iron. He is a blacksmith. The one who makes things of iron is a blacksmith. 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 Third one. He drives the bus. Who is he? He is a driver. The one who drives the bus is a driver. Driver drives the bus. He helps to put out fires. He is a fireman. He helps to put out fire. आग कौन बुझाता है? Fireman. He is a fireman. He helps to put out fires. So, last one is he controls the traffic. Who controls the traffic? He is a traffic policeman. A traffic policeman controls the traffic. Traffic को कौन control करता है? Traffic policeman. Now, fifth one. To whom do these things belong? Write the correct letter in the circle from the list given below. To whom does these things belong? ये सारी जो चीज़ें हैं वो किसे बिलोंग करती हैं? अगर मिल्कमैन को बिलोंग करती है तो ए, कारपेंटर को बिलोंग करती है तो बी, पोस्टमैन को बिलोंग करती है तो सी, डॉक्टर को बिलोंग करती है तो डी. नाउ टेल मी, मिल्क बिलोंग्स टू कारपेंटर? नो. पोस्टमैन? नो. डॉक्टर? नो. Milk belongs to milkman. Milk belongs to milkman. So we have written A here. Now first aid box. It belongs to milkman. He uses it. No. Carpenter? No. Postman? No. Doctor? Yes. First aid box belongs to doctor. So we have written D. Now this is a wood cutting tool. It belongs to milkman, postman, doctor? No. It belongs to carpenter. So it is B. Now here are some two letters. These belong to Milkman, carpenter, doctor, no. These letters belong to postman. So we have written C here. Here is a simple task for you. Learn about your parents' profession. Collect pictures and paste in your scrapbook. You just have to learn a bit more about your parents' profession. You just need to learn what do they do. And you need to also understand and learn how your parents' profession is useful to the society. Okay? So I hope you have learned this lesson and also enjoyed learning it. So we will meet in next class. Till then, study well and take care.